In section 10, topic 1, we're looking at combining like terms. So section 10 is going to be a review pretty much from the entire year of algebra. So we're going to start out with something that we learned in section 1 way back in August. We're looking at combining the like terms in all of these problems. So these do get a little bit tricky, especially when you're looking at positives and negatives. This first problem is pretty straightforward, where you have a negative 3x and you have a negative 1x. So remember, if there's not a number in front of the variable, it's a negative 1. So these two are like terms because they both have an x on them. So we're looking at combining negative 3x and negative 1x. And negative 3x minus 1x is negative 4x. The plus 6 doesn't combine with anything, so we just drop it down. In example 2, we have a lot going on here. We have a 2y, a negative 6y. Those are the ones that are going to combine. We have a 3 and a 7. So this is what I would recommend. I wouldn't try to do all of these in your head. I would try to rewrite them to get rid of the parentheses. So we have 2y plus 3, and instead of writing plus negative 6y, if you're adding a negative, that's just subtracting. So we're going to rewrite this as minus 6y plus 7. That should make it a little bit easier to combine our like terms, because now we're just looking at 2y minus 6y. And 2 minus 6 is negative 4y. We have a positive 3 plus 7. So 3 plus 7 is 10. And our last two problems, I threw some more parentheses in there so we could practice rewriting these. I'm going to drop 6z down, and I have a minus negative 3. Now when you're minusing or you're subtracting a negative, remember that both of those will actually cancel each other out and turn to adding. So we're looking at 6z plus 3. And again, we have plus negative 1. And when you're adding a negative, that's just subtraction. So to simplify this fully, we have 6z, and I have 3 minus 1, which is 2. And lastly, again, some more parentheses, so we're going to practice rewriting. I have negative 4w, and I have a plus negative 4. So again, when we're adding a negative, that's subtracting. Plus 5w, and I have a minus negative 2. So again, when I'm subtracting a negative, it turns to addition. The negatives cancel each other out, and I bring down the plus 2. I have negative 4w plus 5w. Negative 4 plus 5 is positive 1w, so we're not going to write the 1. And I have negative 4 plus 2. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. So the final answer to that problem is w minus 2.